Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough video of operating expenses tracker. This is a template which will help keep track of all your operating expenses that are happening in a business. First of all, on the left we have a summary section which shows the budgeted expenses, the total expenses, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of total expenses that has been incurred. On the right side we can see there are three sections: the expense category, expenses overview, and the transactions. Expense categories where you will set all the expenses as per requirement. So here I have specified three different categories, that is payroll, overhead, and supplies. Under each of the categories you can see there are different subcategories over here. A quick way to add a new category is to simply click over here and you can edit this category if you want to, or else if you want to add a new category you can simply scroll to the right and click on this plus to add a new category. Similarly, if you want to edit an existing subcategory, you simply click on this pencil icon that you see over here. Clicking on this will help you edit this item, or you can click on this new over here to add a new subcategory. Once this is done, you can set the budgeted amount of expense for each of these categories. So simply you can edit these values, whatever you want to edit, and you can set a new budgeted amount. After this, let's move on to the expenses overview. Here you can see that under each of the different categories of expense, we can see the total expenses that has been incurred, the budget expenses that was set, and the percentage of total budgeted expense. This will help you keep track of all your different categories of expenses in under one glance. And then finally under the transaction section, here you can book all different kind of transactions, whatever is happening in your operating expenses. So you can simply tap on here and you can select a specific date as per your requirement. So once you select a specific date, it will automatically update as per that section. And then you can put the description and the account. Under the account, you can select any of the subcategories that you have added. And finally, you can put the amount over here to add the expense. This template is entirely customizable as per your requirement. If you need any help in that regard, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. Thank you. Have a great day.